Hello, and welcome to Prince George's Community College. This brief tutorial will show you how to access the virtual classroom for our remote structured courses. Students enrolled in a remote class will meet online via the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra web conferencing platform at scheduled times with deadlines and due dates. Students will access learning materials, assignments, and participate in discussions via Blackboard. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra is very similar to the Zoom web conferencing platform. To gain access to your remote classes on the scheduled days and times, you will first need to log on to Blackboard. The link to Blackboard can be found on the college's website, www.pgcc.edu. You can find the link to Blackboard in two places on the college's homepage. The first is on the top navigation bar. The second is on the menu option toggle to the right. As an alternate, you can access Prince George's Community College's Blackboard site directly by navigating to pgcconline.blackboard.com. Your login information for Blackboard is the same as your login for OwlLink. Select the course that you would like to log into. When you are in the course, click Virtual Classroom from the left menu bar. Please be advised that our remote class sessions will be recorded in video and audio format, capturing student participation in class discussions or activities. Any student profile image may be captured in the recording. As permitted by the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, recordings of each class session may be shared with students currently enrolled in the course as reference material or when they are unable to attend a live class session. Recordings may not be shared with any other parties without the prior written consent of those captured in the recording. However, the college reserves the right to use recordings to investigate alleged college code violations. Students with a profile image, activated camera, and/or audio features during the class session agree to have their profile picture, video image, and/or oral statements recorded during the class session. If you choose not to have your profile picture, video, image, or oral participation recorded, do not use a profile image, disable the video feature, and mute the audio component of the Blackboard Ultra for each class session. This will allow you to share in learning without being captured in the class's recordings. Click the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra link. Some of your professors may have changed this option to read Virtual Classroom. In Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, you will be able to select the session for the appropriate class day and time to join the virtual classroom. If you are not able to join audio from your computer, take note of the session dial-in information. You will be able to use this information to call into your class from your phone. Click Join Session and you will be joined to your class. The first time you log into the virtual classroom, you may be prompted to allow access to your camera, speakers, and microphone. If you wish to use them, please connect them at this time. Enter your virtual classroom prepared to learn and engage with your instructor and classmates. If you have any questions navigating Blackboard or the virtual classroom, you may contact eLearning at pgcc.edu. blackboard.edu or by calling 301-546-0463. We'll see you in class. Have a great semester.